Yeah, but if you see post-Hudhud and also where Andhra Pradesh government has been demanding for new capital and grabbing lands also, and they have been asking too much of a sum from the central government, and at the end we see that the central government is not turning up, and AP government gives a statement saying that the government is running in losses. But what losses are we running in when we are seeing that the legislators who've had the best of the session abusing each other, attacking each other, uh, giving the best of the vulgar gestures. We've seen YSRCP and the TDP have been attacking in the assembly. People
But
are
at the
watching
end of
these.
it, they all came together. No one spoke about, no one criticized the iPhone 6 being given, despite the fact that the YSRC may have attacked the government for whatever its policies, but they were all silent about it in the public domain.
So it was the way to gift out YSRCP legislators, and at the same time YSRCP legislators thanksgiving also, that in the same reciprocative system they've received the gifts of iPhone 6, and probably we'll see how this session should go out peacefully. So this is a way where the governments and the oppositions have felt to fool out people that how session should pass away, and people should just be fooled out by spending so much of sum, which is nothing but the exchequer of the government and the revenue of the people.
Certainly not something that people appreciate any longer. Questions would have been asked perhaps if there was more debate in the public domain, but all this happened quite silently with the cameras in fact being kept out of the assembly. None of this is even otherwise visible. In earlier times when the laptops would be carried away, you could see them. Now the gadgets have got smaller and the cameras are nowhere inside the assembly. In Hyderabad with camera person Nagraju, Uma Sudhir,